welcome to Earth Evo. Today I'm going to be unboxing this new Microsoft Surface Headphones 2. I know it's been released a bit more late and I've come into late competition, but it is still popular in 2021. Let's go ahead and open the box. But before that, I would like to say you that it is compatible with Android, iOS, and also Windows 10. There's a lot of suction when you open when you open the device. It has more suction while opening than the Apple devices, and you have nothing in the back. But you do have a really large cover which covers the headphones. It's it's unnecessary, but they've still given it. And it's a hard case, and it also has a grip at the back. Let's see how the headphones are. But before that, we leave the headphones, and the zip is stainless steel and comes in a space gray color. Let's leave this headphone aside and let's check out what's there in the paperwork. So as usual, I'm thinking that this is the warranty box and there's going to be limited hardware warranty inside it and also the instructions on how to use the Surface headphones. Let's check it out. Okay, as expected. So now we got to go back to the headphones again. Let's unpack it. Let's open the zip and here's the headphones. Okay, so first of all, wow, they look really good, and they have these rings on either side of the headphones, which is for noise cancellation control and the volume controls. And it looks so cool when you open it at the first, and it's so aesthetic. So they've given a pad on top of the headband for covering. If we remove that, we'll be able to feel it. So I should also tell you guys that if you guys are allergic to rubber, you shouldn't get this because at the headband normally it will be a fabric, but in these Surface headphones it's pure rubber. So let's open up the pad. Then the band also has a small problem, which is not a big one, it's still manageable. It's when the band comes to full extent, it goes back, it just starts to retract on its own automatically. But that's fine. Let's go back to the ear cushioning. The ear cushions are really soft, but I would say that the Bose QC35s are softer and the Sonys are the best in ear cushions. These headphones are a little bit tighter, but they're actually soft. Not as soft as the Bose. Now, let us set up our headphones. So, I've installed the Surface Audio app as directed, and so in the instruction manual it says to connect to the Surface headphones too, obviously. So let's press connect. Wait, it didn't connect. It's supposed to connect, but it's kind of unusual. I'm guessing since the phone is a bit old. Let's try it again. Okay, so it's asking me to go to Bluetooth settings, then connect it, then come back after to the Surface Audio app, and then connect it through the Surface Audio app. So let us check if the headphones are discovered. Yes, it is. So yes, now let's go to the Surface Audio app. There you go. It's gonna ask you to play sound. The sound will come, and as soon as the sound comes and you press yes, I heard it, it's gonna connect to the headphones. Okay, so it's connected. And it also updates your headphone after you connect it. It also has a special software in a PC which helps you upgrade it. There you go. I have 16 hours left battery and my noise cancellation is high with a volume of 8. Okay, so now I'll show you guys the equalizer, which was the main part of the app. Yeah, here you go. You can customize any of these, like the bass, the lows, the highs, the mid highs, according to your convenience. Now let me check it out and see how it sounds. Okay, so the volume rockers and the noise cancellation things are really good, and it goes really high as it's 13 levels of noise cancellation. So, and the sound quality is also good, but not as good as the Sony's. Okay, guys, so that's all for now, and see you guys in the next video, which is going to be about my Nokia about my Nokia phone, which is from 2021. And if you guys do have any other questions or need any help about the Surface devices, including the Surface headphones too, you guys can send me a comment back on my Microsoft Surface Tech community. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.